Hello. Okay. Just as I don't forgotten, we were writing this line of code and we run it for n neighbors 1. We don't know what this model do, but the thing that we understand is this. This line of code make a predict model for us. Then we want to know something, how we can see that the model is running right and what is this parameter means. We don't know anything about this too. Okay, at first let's search and see what Np.mean do. We don't know about it. Let's go and search Np.mean. NumPy mean. From the name it's already you can understand what these do. Mean along the specific axis. What this do? Return the average of the array element. Okay, let's see if we don't understand. We want to go lower and see an example. Okay, let's see what it line of code do. We go to our lab, paste it. Array is not defined. Why? Okay, we go to another site for a problem. We go to Geeks for Geeks. This is a good site also. I use it a lot. But when your problems become more professional, the only site maybe you use is Stack Overflow. Today the internet is too low. I don't know why. Okay, let's us understand what np.means do. Let's create a list. For example, list equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then in list it gives us 3. What does it mean? That means add you another number to you understand very well. What does it doing? It doing something like this. It's saying 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by the 4. It's doing something like this, but I don't know why. Does it a good thing for testing this data? Okay, let's go and see what this line mean and create. Now we have something called ypred. Ypred is not defined. Oh, sorry. He write it like this. Ypred. It's an array of 7 number, and let's see. Ytest. It's an array of 7 number 2. Okay, let me here just say ypred ytest. True, false, true, false, false, false. What does it say? The false are the things that say the program calculate the right number, and the true is the data that the program calculate the wrong number. For example, the first array, the program predicted 0, but the test is 1. That's wrong. But second is right, third is right, and go to end. Okay, now we some kind of understand what this error system do. It's sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, No, it's sum 1, 2, I think. 1, 2. Let me see. Okay, it's sum 1, 2. The two row here. It summed them and divided them by 7. I think to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the error. And the error is lower, the code is working better. Now we understand what the mean do. Okay. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.